At Vectra Mechanical, we understand the importance of having a properly functioning boiler, especially during the harsh winters here in Colorado. Our team of qualified technicians are absolute experts at boilers and ready to address any issues you may have, from minor repairs to major installations. We have years of work experience and extensive training to diagnose and fix problems promptly, or to install a new boiler system in homes or businesses across Colorado. This project involved converting an older boiler and water heater setup into a high-efficiency modulating condensing boiler. It was an advanced job that required expert knowledge and extensive piping work. Not only can we install complex systems like this, but we also offer regular maintenance to keep your heating system running smoothly. If you have a boiler issue, you need a new boiler install, or just looking to prepare for the upcoming cold weather, give us local guys a call at Vectra Mechanical.